Hello everyone, Billy here. Welcome back to Lux Fiat channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can take full advantage of the app Pancakeswap. So let's get right into the video. Remember, nothing is financial advice, and also remember to leave a like and subscribe down below. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are on Pancakeswap, and this has a little more to it than some of the other exchanges, because they have their own NFTs and like a lottery system and stuff like that. But the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Connect Wallet right down here. We're going to use MetaMask, and as always, every video you're going to need to follow this video 100% will be down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. So that being said, I'm going to close this. Oops. Close that. So now we're going to go to Trade. And Trade is your regular exchange where you exchange BNB for other projects that you might like, or just regular altcoins that might be on exchanges that you want to hold on an offshore account, or not an offshore account, but a off exchange wallet. There we go. And so yeah, you go there, and then next we would go to Liquidity. And what this is you could provide liquidity to certain projects and earn money for it. Sort of like staking, but it offers a higher yield percentage. And we'll get into that in just a second. We're going to be coming back to this liquidity part here in 2 seconds. So we'll get into it right now, actually. We're going to want to go to the Earn tab. And here you're going to find a bunch of different farms that you could do to stake and earn on your tokens. So let's say I wanted to do Eternal to BNB at 338 APR, right? We would go here, we would calculate how much, let's say 500 for a year, it would earn me 14K a year. Cool. That's really good. So next we would go back to Trade. We would have BNB. We would type in Eternal. We would accept it. We would trade some BNB for it. And then you go to Liquidity, and then you get the LP token for it. We'll have a more in-depth guide later down the line on yield farming and stuff like that. But for the sake of this video, we're going to keep it fairly simple. So next, we're going to go to Pools. And Pools is just your regular staking, where you buy the coin, you let it sit, you forget it, and that's pretty much it. Next, we have the gambling section. I don't recommend you even touch this part. I think, gambling your crypto, even now in the type of cycle we're in right now, you definitely should just be holding. Holding is the best way, I know personally, to gain wealth the safest way. Not the easiest way, but the safest way. But here you could just gamble on different things. I'm not going to go too in depth to it because I just don't believe in stuff like this. Next, you go to lottery, which is a little safer, but I still don't recommend you do it. Maybe a couple here and there, but don't make it a habit. Obviously, if you win the lottery, it's crazy, but chances of that happening are very slim to none anyways. More than likely, it's going to be a waste of money. Next, you can go to their NFT collections. This sort of speaks for itself. This is where you can go to buy their NFTs and see what they have to store. Honestly, just looking at some of these already, I really like some of these. I might even come back here and buy one later, but we'll have to see. So yeah, that concludes Pancakeswap, and I hope it was informative. That's all for this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful, and if you did, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe down below. And remember, nothing in this video is supposed to be taken as financial advice. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.